Are you ready for the ultimate off-road adventure? Introducing the NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro, the perfect companion for your adrenaline-fueled rides. Let's take a closer look at its impressive specifications and features. First, let's talk about power. The NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro is equipped with the motor FAZUA Ride 60, delivering a whopping 60 Nm of torque. With the FAZUA Energy 430 Wh battery, you can expect long-lasting performance on any trail. The bike features a FAZUA LED display, keeping you informed about your speed and battery level. The Fox 38 Performance 180mm fork and Fox DHX Coil 180mm rear shock offer superior suspension for a smooth and controlled ride. When it comes to stopping power, the Shimano SLX brakes with 200/180ths of a millimeter rotors ensure reliable and responsive braking in any situation. The Shimano SLX 1x12 drivetrain provides seamless shifting, and the Raceface Atlas stem and handlebar add durability and control. The NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro comes with DT Swiss HX 1729/27.5 wheels and Continental Argotl Enduro Soft 2.5 inches tires, guaranteeing excellent traction and stability on various terrains. Now, let's explore some technical details. The bike is available in sizes S, M, and L, with a weight of 20.78 kilograms. It has a total weight of 125 kilograms and does not have trailer approval or kickstand mount. But wait, there's more. Apart from the NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro, you have two other variants to choose from, Core and Ultra. The Core build comes with a coil shock from Marzocchi and a Shimano Dior group set, while the Ultra is specced with top-end suspension from Fox and Shimano XT drivetrain and brakes. Now, let's touch on the bike's geometry. With a slack head angle of 63.6 degrees and longer chainstays, the NOX EPIUM Enduro offers stability and control on the trails. However, tall riders may find the reach limitations and longer seat tube uncomfortable. Lastly, the bottom bracket drop and head angle can be adjusted using the flip chip on the shock mount, providing customization options to suit your riding style. The NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro is the perfect choice for passionate enduro riders who crave performance and reliability on every adventure. Thanks for watching this detailed look at the NOX EPIUM Enduro 7.1 Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Happy riding!